In previous class, we have seen some place in Tawang. Now we will see more about Tawang detailedly. Watch this video. फिर हम म्यूज़ियम, बौद्ध विहार आदि के दर्शन किए. After that, we went to museum Bauddha Vihar. Bauddha Vihar, it is Buddha's temple. We went there. भारत चीन युद्ध के अमर शहीद जसवंत सिंह स्मारक भी देखे. भारत चीन युद्ध means India China battle. So Jaswant Singh is a person who had sacrificed his life in the battle of India-China war, and we have seen his स्मारक memorable. स्मारक के आसपास भारत चीन लड़ाई के कुछ अवशेष भी देखे. And nearby the Jaswant Singh memorable, we have seen India-China. Whatever weapons they have used in that war, that was kept there. जैसे पुराने बैरक. पुराने बैरक is an old building of soldier. वहाँ से थोड़ी दूर पर भारत चीन की सीमा प्रदेश भी देखे. थोड़ी दूर means little far. We have seen India China. सीमा means border. We have seen India China border. इसके बाद हम PTC लेक, मधुरी लेक आदि भी देखे. We have seen PTC lake and Madurai lake. सेला में गाड़ी कुछ देर तक रास्ते में रुकी क्योंकि बर्फ़ पड़ने के कारण आगे का रास्ता बंद था. Sela is a place where our vehicle has stopped. Their vehicle was stopped because in the way there was snowfall and the road was blocked. रास्ता खुल जाने पर गाड़ी धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ी. रास्ता खुल जाना means when the road was open, our vehicle start moving slowly. तवांग के दर्शनीय स्थानों को देखकर हम खुशी खुशी लौटे. After visiting many places in Tawang, we returned back to our home happily. बाहर का नज़ारा देखकर मुझे ऐसा लगा पहाड़ी पर बना वह बौद्ध विहार जहाँ हम कल गए थे. When I see the outside view, I felt that Buddha's temple had made on the mountain which we have seen yesterday. So he felt, when he see the mountain, he felt like a Buddha's temple. यहाँ से ऐसा लगता है जैसे एक छोटा सा घोंसला हो. From here we feel Tawang like a small nest. घोंसला, small nest. सड़क के दोनों तरफ गहरी खाई है. The which road they are going, the both side it has गहरी खाई means deep trench. You can see in this picture a deep trench. जिसे देखकर कभी कभी एक पल के लिए सांस रुक जाता. When we see that trench for a while, our breathing will stop. It is so dangerous not to go through that road कि यहाँ से गाड़ी खाई में गिर जाए तो क्या होगा. If our vehicle will fall from here to the trench, what will happen? किसी को पता ही नहीं चलेगा. No one will know that we have fall there. So I hope you like to visit Tawang. So read this paragraph very well. Next live class I will call each students to read the textbook. or otherwise you want to send me a voice clip. So thank you dear.